or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me out. Leap of faith, cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, oh. Hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient. So patient. I kept you waiting. Want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? Help me. I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Yeah, you show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. When I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you. When I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own. Sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah. I know it's hard to be you. All the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know you ain't never lied. Fact is you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else.
y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Premium Lace Wig. Shout out to you, Premium Lace Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, the hair length is 26 inches. It is a HD 5x5 lace wig. It is 100% Brazilian hair. It's a body wave unit. It's 130% density, and I like that they said that because I was wondering. It says hair color is the same as picture, which is, if I'm not mistaken, like a number 60. I think it's a number 60, but just check over here on the screen so you guys know. The lace is transparent, and I have it in a medium cap size. So Chade had sent me a little card. You guys know I live for one of these. I love me a little card. All right, y'all. So I chose this wig personally because I wanted it to be like a winter wonderland type of vibe, honey. I got on my white, and this hair is very, very white-ish, okay? This is some very light hair, and I know you guys can probably even see like the purple in it. I don't know if you can really see it, but I really like that. It just depends on the lighting, whether or not you can see that like little purple, like this little purple right down here. I love that. And it's kind of like when I would do my wigs and use purple shampoo, and it would kind of tint it, and that's kind of what it's giving me, and I like that. I like that. Y'all let me know what you guys think, but I like that. Now this is a closure, and it is transparent lace, and honey, I mean, it is transparent. Like, I got a little of my makeup on it now, so it don't look as transparent, but honey, just refer to the beginning of the video, like before I applied my bronzer. Like, honey, this lace is transparent. I didn't put any bronzer or anything underneath the lace whatsoever. As far as shedding and tangling, it's shedding a little bit. I actually expected it to shed more because it's such a light color, but it only shedded a little bit. Now, that's not to say at some point it won't shed more, but straight the packaging, it only shedded a little bit. Now, I do also want to mention, I don't know if I said that this is a closure, and I just kind of shifted it over a little bit more because I really wanted like more of a deep C part, so I shifted it over some, but it is a closure. You do have the ability to wear it in a middle part, a side, a left part, or a right part. And yeah, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, is more so big head friendly than not. If you have an average cap size, you can make it work, but I also think you can make it work with a smaller cap size because it's a closure. But honey, that's just me. Do with that what you want to do with that, because it doesn't have that elastic band. So like I said, do with that what you want to do with it. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the only con that I probably have with this unit is that it is like a 613, is a lighter color unit, and all of them do have, like, you know, the lighter wefts. I think that's the only type of wefts they have with these units, and sometimes that can be kind of hard to blend in. That's not really a company problem. That is pretty much every light color wigs I have ever received with the light wefts. It's just like, you know, just one of those things. So that would probably be my only con, because I couldn't think of nothing else. And it's not even a big con for me. I just wanted to give you guys one. All right, so as far as the pros, I love this color. I love, like, it's giving me all winter white vibes. I added my little white dots. You know, I haven't done that in a minute, child. Shout out to Aaliyah's Face. If you're an OG Aaliyah's Face person, you know the white dots was always her thing. And I felt like it just giving me that whole winter wonderland sort of vibe, and that's what I was going for. It's also giving me a little bit of Game of Thrones, honey, okay? It's giving Targaryen realness, okay? So I also like that. I love the transparent lace. Is just like chef's kiss, okay? And you guys know I live for a closure, so those are all of my pros. Oh, I also like that they were honest about the density. It's not super thick. But I feel like it still looks like it's more full than it actually is. Like, you know, if that makes sense. Like, this is all the hair to the front. In my opinion, it gives a little more fuller because it's not like it's a straight wig. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. But yeah, I also like that they said it's 130% density. So yeah. Yes, I would recommend this wig. I recommend this unit for the bold girlies, honey, okay? If you are bold girly, I recommend this for you. Now, honey, if you know, you just now getting into blonde territory, you like, hey, I can't do that. then maybe not. But definitely check out other wigs from Premium Lace. Like, honey, just check out my channel. I have Premium Lace. Okay, so just check out any other wig. If this is like too much for you, all of their units are bomb and they are affordable. Like, shout out to you, Premium Lace. Okay, shout out to you. And yeah, so obviously I would recommend this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind M54. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it, if it's a look, it's a vibe to you. Sound off down below in the comments. Like I said, I know it ain't for everybody. I know some people like, girl, I can't do that. But if you do like this type of hair, like, sound off down below in the comments and let me know. And once again, shout out to you, Premium Lace Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm helping to see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. Now see you love bugs next time.
The looks you love completely got every style.